Okay, so today I am cutting out some patterned paper. I've got these gorgeous pieces of paper. I get a pack of, I think there's 40 sheets to cut 2 pages of each pattern for $12 at Michael's. When I look at these pages and I think they're so beautiful, I wonder why on earth would I spend any length of time making this kind of pattern on this paper with ink, stamps, watercolors and all that stuff when I could just buy the paper. I really don't understand it. Why there's so much emphasis on making that back sheet of paper or making the paper when you can buy the paper. Well, maybe it's a time issue. I work, so for me to spend that much time making something that's just going to be part of a card, I don't know. Sometimes I will, only if that card is very special or it's an ordered card. But no, I will try each type of technique once, and if it takes a long time, I'm moving on. So I got other things I've got to do. This one here is for a man's card. I found they had 2 pages inside the package that matched. So when I do my cuts, I'm just going to stack them when I cut them, and then I'm going to switch the insides, the middles, for these. I did it at Christmas with some embossed paper that I did. It was very pretty. Everyone loved those cards. It's very simple. It takes, once you figure out what you're doing, it's pretty simple, but just don't mess it up while you're trying to get it ready. Just keep them together when you're working with your cutters and with your dies. That's a lovely piece of paper. I mean, we've seen how many people make things like this on YouTube. And I can get 6 cards from one 12 by 12 sheet by cutting it at 3 inches and 4 inches. It's just, I don't know. If I had the time, I would probably value more all the time that's needed for that. So here's again some sheets that are very, very similar. They're the exact same pictures. And I'll take those and keep them together while I cut them, and then I'll keep them together while I die cut them. And hopefully I will remember to videotape the making of at least one of these cards. I like this this leaf color. This little tealy type of a greeny, bluey, green thing there. That's the color I think when I get going. I want to emphasize from these pictures. So very pretty. Maybe, I think I have some right here. Something like, it's covered in embossing powder. Something like that. Is that blue, if I can catch the light there. It's more of a teal color than the light's allowing it to be. Oh, there we go. A little bit more of a teal there on that light. And you maybe use something like that to pick up this gorgeous color in there. And that's some, what is that? Some mirrored paper I got from Clipper Street Scrapbook. Get a pack of this mirrored paper, and I think they have like 5 of each color in there. I wanted to do that diamond technique with some of them, but I haven't done it yet. It's so very pretty. I'm just using Versa, what is this stuff? Versamark. I don't know what it's called for some reason. Versamark. Oh my goodness. Versamark watermark stamp pad. Oh, I don't know why I'm getting my names all confused. It's a little early in the morning. And use that to make a rain effect on the paper. So that's it for the cutting. I now have that many card bases. And that's a lot of card bases to work from, to make cards of. I've got an order for some birthday cards, and I was thinking that these might make some very nice female, male birthday cards. They're so very pretty. or Thinking of You cards, or any other kind of cards. So we will get going on that, and then we will see how that goes. I will show you some of the cards. Ooh! Time to turn off the camera.